Viewers, welcome to my channel Learning Made Easy. I'm going to present a video on the chapter Hamid Khan, which is for grade 9. And I had got several requests to make a video on this chapter. So, yeah, that's the main reason I'm going to present this chapter right now, Hamid Khan, which is written by S.K. Pottekar. Okay, the name says that the writer, okay, not Hamid Khan, the writer, that is S.K. Pottekar, is a South Indian, I think so. It's from the name, you can just guess so. Anyways, let's see what the chapter says. The main storyline is nothing but a relationship which has to be actually very good between Hindu and Muslim. There shouldn't be any kind of hatred towards each other, no matter what which place you are from. Okay, that is the main storyline, and it's a very small story also. So let's begin. I start here. Now again, this summary is divided into several small portions with subheadings. Okay, so the first one is Lekhak Takshashila mein. Okay, Takshashila is a place in Pakistan. Okay, actually, in the beginning of this chapter, there is something that has to be mentioned, which is not there in the summary, which I'll be mentioning, and that is the story begins here when the writer, that is the author of the story, he is reading a newspaper and he comes along a news which says that in Pakistan there is some kind of a fight which has happened due to fire. Means sometimes people lit fire on another people or in a particular place. Okay, you just blast a particular place with fire. So that kind of an incident that kind of a horrific incident has taken place in Pakistan, which news is being read by our writer S.K. Pottekar. He comes along this news, and that is it. And when he reads this news, he remembers 2 years ago, the day he had gone to Pakistan, and he had met this person, Hamid Khan, in whose name this chapter is. Okay, that is the beginning of this chapter. Actually, he comes along this news and he remembers what happened in तक्षशिला, whom he had met. Now let's see. लेखक तक्षशिला में 2 साल पहले लेखक पाकिस्तान में तक्षशिला के खंडहर देखने गया था. So 2 years ago, Lekhak had gone to Takshashila. Khandahar actually means something that is very old, okay, an ancient, you can say a building which may be partly destroyed. Mainly for these things which is very ancient, you say Khandahar. So to view this Khandahar, visit this Khandahar, लेखक had gone to Pakistan. वह रेलवे स्टेशन के पास स्थित एक गांव में निकल पड़ा. He had gone, he is going to a village. गांव means a village, okay, which is nearby to railway station. Okay, वहाँ की गलियाँ तंग, घनी तथा बेतरतीब थी. So over there, the गलियाँ means ways, the pathways over there, a very small way. It is a very small way, and it is very घनी, and also बेतरतीब means it was very untidy. Okay, not very well organized. Okay, जगह जगह धुएं, मच्छर और गंदगी का साम्राज्य था. In each and every place over there, in that narrow path, that village kind of an area, there was a lot of धुआं, that is smoke, and मच्छर, that is mosquito, and गंदगी. It was very untidy, as I said. Okay, चमड़े की बदबू आ रही थी. There was a bad smell coming of चमड़ा. चमड़े means leather. Okay, चमड़ा means leather. So चमड़े की बदबू, a bad smell was coming. It was stinking because of the leather. लंबे कद के पठान अलमस्त चाल से घूम रहे थे. लेखक किसी होटल की तलाश में था. And he saw there were Pathan over there. You know Pathan, the people who are Pakistani, we call them Pathan. Men over there. So this is nothing, just a description of that place, okay, surrounding, that's all. लेखक किसी होटल की तलाश में था. लेखक was actually searching for hotel. He was very hungry. That is not mentioned here, but he was very hungry and he just wanted to get into a hotel to have some food. Okay, now next subheading, हामिद के होटल में. So now the subheading is Hamid ke hotel. The hotel, he is going to find a hotel which will be where he finds this Hamid Khan. It's the hotel of this Hamid Khan. Okay, लेखक को तलाशते तलाशते एक होटल मिला. लेखक was in search of a hotel and he got a hotel finally. एक अधेड़ पठान अंगीठी के पास सिर झुकाए चपातियाँ बना रहा था. Now, adhed means a person who is of half age, middle aged person who has already lived half of his life. Okay, so there was a person who was of adhed umr, and he was near the Angithi. Angithi is actually a place where people cook chapati or any roti where fire will be blazing. Okay, it's not just like a normal stove, it's a different kind of a thing which mainly was used in earlier days. Even today actually you can see in some places, especially in India, Pakistan, these kind of areas. Okay, that is Angiti. So there nearby to Angiti, this person is there. Sir Jukai means he had bowed his head down and he was making chapatiyan. वह लेखक को तीखी नज़रों से देखने लगा. He was looking at लेखक now. He saw लेखक. हामिद खान saw लेखक and he was looking. तीखी नज़र means with a a very means he's looking with a vision which is not so pleasing, not very good view. He's not looking in a very pleasing manner. Okay, that is what तीखी नज़र means. लेखक के मुस्कुराने पर भी वह नहीं मुस्कुराया. When लेखक actually smiled, मुस्कुराना means to smile, of course you all know that. So when he smiled to Hamid Khan, but he didn't smile back. लेखक ने पूछा खाने को कुछ मिलेगा. So लेखक asks Hamid Khan, will I get something to eat? पठान ने बेंच पर बैठने का इशारा करके कहा. So this Pathan, till now in this chapter they didn't mention who this person is. It is Hamid Khan. Okay, Pathan means they are mentioning again Hamid Khan only. So Hamid Khan through ishara means through his body language, he signed, he showed some signs through body language and said ishara, he ishara kiya. Through his signs he said him to go and sit on the bench. Okay, chapati or salan hai, and he said that there is chapati and also salan means curry. Okay, there is chapati and curry. थोड़ी देर बाद पठान ने लेखक का परिचय पूछा. After some time, लेखक asks the Pathan about himself, who he was, what is his name. उसे हिंदू जानकर पठान ने लेखक का Pathan is asking to लेखक. Okay, Pathan, that is a person who is cooking here, okay, in the hotel. He is asking to लेखक that who he was. उसे हिंदू जानकर उसने पूछा वह हिंदू होकर एक मुसलमान के होटल में खाना कैसे खाएगा. So when he asked that who he was, and when लेखक says, of course he introduces himself, and when he says his name, from the name Hamid Khan understands he was a Hindu person, and listening to that, Hamid Khan is asking that, being a Hindu, how did you come to a hotel of Musalman, of a Muslim person? How did you come? How can you eat from a hotel of a Muslim person, you being Hindu? Okay, लेखक ने बताया कि वह हिंदुस्तान में मद्रास के आगे मलाबार नामक स्थान पर रहता था. So लेखक says that I live in a place named Madras. Okay, Madras के आगे, which is further, you have to go further from Madras. Okay, Malabar नामक स्थान पर, and he lives in a Malabar place. Of course, he's a South Indian, as I said. Okay, he says that I live there. उनके यहाँ हिंदू मुसलमान का कोई भेद नहीं है, and he says, लेखक is saying that in our place, okay, there is no difference. Bhed means there is no difference between Hindu and Musliman. Hindu-Muslim difference is not there in our place. वे बढ़िया चाय और पुलाव खाने के लिए हमेशा मुसलमानी होटल में ही जाते थे. And लेखक says that in order to drink a very good tea and to have pulav is a kind of a biryani, not a biryani, but pulav, it can be vegetable, non-veg. Anyway, we are not here to discuss that. So here Lekhak is saying that to drink chai or to have pulav, he mainly used to go to a Musalmani hotel to have a very good pulav or chai. He says, I always go to a Musalmani hotel in my place, when I was in my place. मुसलमानों की भारत में बनी पहली मस्जिद भी उन्हीं के एक राज्य में है. Lekhak says that the first mosque that had been built for a Muslim also was in his place. Okay, he's saying that. Lekhak is saying. उनके यहाँ हिंदू मुस्लिम दंगे भी ना के बराबर होते हैं. He also says that दंगे means fight, riots that take place between people. So he says that even riots or fight that happens between Hindu Muslim, even that was ना के बराबर means it doesn't happen at all. ना के बराबर, it doesn't happen at all. Okay. Hamid ka dukh. Now next subheading is Hamid ka dukh. Let's see why was Hamid dukhi. Why was Hamid Khan sad? Hamid लेखक की बातों पर विश्वास ना कर सका. So hearing to what Lekhak was saying, Hamid Khan couldn't believe that. Okay. एंड सेज बोला काश मैं आपके मुल्क में जाकर अपनी आँखों से ये सब देख सकता. So now Hamid Khan is like kash means how I wish that I could have also I could also come to your place to see these things with my own very eyes. I could see where, as you said, there's a brotherhood between Hindu Muslim people. Okay. हामिद ने दुख पूर्वक कहा पाकिस्तान के हिंदू ऐसी बातें फ़ख्र के साथ किसी मुसलमान से नहीं कह सकते. एंड हामिद खान इज सेइंग दैट in our place in Pakistan, no Hindu can come and say such things just like what you're saying now. No Hindu can come and fakhr ke saath means with pride. No Hindu can come in front of us Muslims to say such things. Okay, in Pakistan वे मुसलमानों को अत्याचारियों की संतान मानते हैं. Because in our place मुसलमान Hindus believe that Musliman, that is Muslim people, are someone who do अत्याचार. Okay, who does all kind of अटैक्स ऑन पीपल. इसलिए पाकिस्तान में रहकर उन्हें अपने सम्मान को बचाना कठिन हो जाता है. एंड हामिद खान सेज एंड दैट इज़ वाई इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस टू सी इवन इफ Pakistan some people have that kind of a feeling that okay, we will not show any discrimination between Hindu Pakistan. We also want to be happy, or but that is not possible because in their country doesn't allow that. Okay, this is actually a kind of a culture that they have been following, that Hindus and Muslims have a hatred between each other. Okay, that is why Hamid Khan was very sad, because in his country there was no such kind of a brotherly affection. Let's see next. प्रेम पूर्ण भोजन. भोजन मीन्स फूड. प्रेम पूर्ण मीन्स विथ लव, फूड विथ लव. हामिद ने अपने नौकर अब्दुल को जोर की आवाज़ लगाई. नाउ हामिद खान इज कॉलिंग हिज सर्वेंट अब्दुल. ओके, जोर की आवाज़ मीन्स विथ लाउड नॉइज ही कॉल्स हिम. उसने पश्तो भाषा में लेखक के लिए खाना बनाने का आदेश दिया. पश्तो इज़ अ लैंग्वेज, भाषा. And he says to Abdul, Hamid Khan says to Abdul in Pashto language to serve food for द लेखक. हामिद बोला आप मोहब्बत और ईमानदारी से मेरे होटल में खाना खाने आए हैं. इस बात का मेरे दिल पर गहरा असर है. अगर सभी हिंदू और मुसलमान आपस में मोहब्बत करते तो कितना अच्छा होता. सो हामिद खान इज सेइंग दैट यू हैव कम टू माई होटल to have food, okay, with lot of love. Okay, you have come to my hotel with a lot of love to have food, and this has made a very deep gehra asar, means this has deeply touched my heart. Okay, Hamid Khan is saying, and he says that agar sabhi Hindu Muslim, if all Hindus and Muslims had same kind of a feeling which you're saying now, kitna acha hota, it would have been how far better. Bhojan aaya. Now the food comes. Thali mein in the plate there was चावल, राइस, चपातियाँ और सालन. चपाती एंड करी. लेखक ने बड़े चाव से खाना खाया. विथ अ लॉट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस एंड ईगरनेस ही स्टार्टेड ईटिंग द फूड. उसके बाद उसने पैसे निकाले, किंतु हामिद ने लेखक का हाथ रोक लिया. सो ही आफ्टर हैविंग फूड द लेखक टेक्स मनी आउट ऑफ हिज पॉकेट टू गिव टू हामिद खान फॉर द फूड ही हैड ईटन फ्रॉम द होटल. बट हामिद खान रोक लिया, मीन्स ही स्टॉप्ड हिम फ्रॉम गिविंग मनी. बोला आप मेरे मेहमान हैं. हामिद खान इज सेइंग आप मेरे मेहमान हैं, यू आर माई गेस्ट. आपसे पैसे नहीं लूँगा. आई वोंट टेक मनी फ्रॉम यू. लेखक ने कहा एक दुकानदार के नाते आपको पैसे लेने पड़ेंगे. लेखक सेज दैट बट यू आर अ दुकानदार, अ शॉपकीपर, सो यू हैव टू टेक मनी. ये कहकर उसने ₹1 का नोट हामिद की ओर बढ़ा दिया. नाउ ही सेइंग दिस ही गिव्स ₹1 नोट टू Hamid Khan. Just imagine, for food he's giving ₹1 note. Means this story is about written very in very earlier age. Okay, very many years earlier. That is why ₹1 note on food. Okay, Hamid का पैसा लौटाना. Now Hamid Khan is returning the money. So in this earlier the paragraph just I explained, Lekhak had given the money to Hamid Khan, and in coming paragraph Hamid Khan is returning it. Let's see how. हामिद ने लेखक का मन रखने के लिए उससे ₹1 का नोट ले लिया, परंतु उसे नोट को फिर से लेखक की हथेली पर रख कर कहा. So though Hamid Khan had taken the money, ₹1 note from Lekhak, because he had insisted, but he is again giving it to him, रिटर्निंग इट टू लेखक एंड सेइंग दैट मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये आप ही के हाथों में रहे. आप जब पहुँचे तो किसी मुसलमानी होटल में जाकर इस पैसे से पुलाव खाएं और तक्षशिला के भाई हामिद खान को याद करें. एंड ही सेइंग दैट आई विश दैट यू कीप दिस मनी इन विथ योर सेल्फ, इन योर हैंड इट सेल्फ, एंड व्हेन यू रीच बैक टू योर प्लेस. ओके, व्हेन यू रीच बैक टू योर प्लेस, ही सेइंग टू द लेखक, at that time go to a hotel nearby to your place and eat a pulav from there, and you remember me Okay, remember this Hamid Khan from Takshashila. I want that. I want this from you. लेखक भाव विभोर हो गया. ही बिकेम वेरी भावुक, ही बिकेम वेरी टच्ड. ओके, लेखक उसके बाद वह तक्षशिला के खंडहर देखने चला गया. एंड आफ्टर हैविंग फूड ही वेंट टू वॉच सी खंडहर फॉर विच ही हैड गॉन टू पाकिस्तान, तक्षशिला. आज भी हामिद के प्रेम की याद उसके दिल में ताज़ा है. एंड यू नो इवन टुडे ही हैज़ दैट लव इन द सेम मैनर फॉर हामिद खान. आज जब उसने ये समाचार सुना, एज आई सेड, ही हर्ड अ समाचार मीन्स न्यूज़. ही लिसन्स टू अ न्यूज़ that in Takshashila there was a Bhishan Sampradayak Danga means a very horrific, okay, communal fight, communal riot has taken place in Pakistan. तो उसने मन ही मन प्रभु से प्रार्थना की कि भगवान दंगे की चिंगारियों से उसके हामिद भाई को सुरक्षित रखे. एंड as he has listened to this news, he now starts, you know, in his mind he starts praying that I wish Hamid Khan is safe over there, safe and sound, nothing has happened to him. Now, this is the end of the story. It's a very small story and easy to understand. But when explained, okay, without explanation, maybe when you read, you'll find it difficult because there are few difficult words. And I hope I was clear and this will help for your exams. Thank you for watching and supporting my videos. And yeah, that's all to say. Bye bye.